Have you ever suffered from constipation? Is this a recurring issue in your life? Spending 2 or more days without going to the bathroom causes a lot of discomfort, doesn't it? According to the experts, going to the toilet 2 to 3 times a day or even twice a week are both completely normal situations. Did you know? Both people, the one who goes to the bathroom more times a day or the one who goes only twice a week, can be considered healthy and not suffer from constipation. However, if you suffer from constipation, pay attention to 3 reasons why you might be having this issue. Lack of physical activity. Did you know that one of the reasons for not going to the bathroom frequently is the lack of exercise? For the intestine to work correctly, we need to at least take a walk so that it can move correctly and work adequately to eliminate toxins. That's why people who spend too long sitting or those who are bedridden usually end up constipated. Lack of fiber. Many people today have diets poor in fiber because they don't usually eat whole meal foods, raw vegetables, and fruits with peel and pulp. Did you know that fiber works by increasing fecal matter? They contribute to a better capture of water, accelerating intestinal transit and the frequency of evacuation. Isn't it interesting? Lack of water. Water is essential to improve intestinal transit because it helps fiber to form the gel that eases the intestinal transit. It is important to drink more or less half a gallon of water associated with fiber consumption throughout the day. Our tip is to count how many cups of water you drink per day. On average, 8 cups are enough. It is important to remember that we need more water during summer when we perspire more than during winter. Are you enjoying the video so far? Then give us your opinion to let us know how we are contributing to you and your health. If none of the things above are the reason why you are constipated, it might be some medicine you are taking, like the opioids or analgesics to treat pain, or anticholinergics, used in cases of allergy, and that can affect your intestine. Besides these medicines, some health issues may affect your bowel movements, as is the case with diabetes and thyroid disorders. Constipation may even cause other issues such as hemorrhoids that are swollen and painful veins in your rectum and anus caused by pressure, and that may be external or internal. It causes itchiness, bleeding, and pain during or even after evacuating. The increased pressure of feces on the intestine can also cause diverticulitis, which is nothing more than the pressure inside the intestine due to the formation of small pouches that can get inflamed or even rupture, causing infections in the abdomen. Another thing to pay attention to is anal fissures. When you stay too long without any liquid, the stools may get too hard and it hurts the anus during the evacuation. And lastly, constipation can also cause fecaloma. Fecaloma is a mass of hardened and dry feces that gets accumulated in the rectum or in the final portion of the intestine, blocking the exit of feces and causing bloating, pain, and chronic obstruction of the intestine. To avoid all these issues, we suggest you to go to the bathroom whenever you need to. Drink plenty of liquids, preferably water and juices. Alcohol must be ingested with moderation since it may dry feces. Eat fruits between your meals, with the peels whenever possible. Seek help to deal with stressful situations and anxiety attacks. Your emotions can affect how your intestine works. If the problem persists, talk to a doctor to diagnose your case and get the help you need. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.